Today, I'm going to show you how to install Anydesk step by step so you can get remote access set up quickly and easily. Anydesk is a popular remote desktop tool that lets you connect to another computer, provide support, or access your own PC from anywhere. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you prefer on your Windows computer. Once the browser is open, go to the search bar and type Anydesk. Press enter and make sure you choose the official Anydesk website from the search results. It's always important to use the official site so you get the latest version and avoid downloading from unsafe third-party pages. When the official Anydesk website opens, look near the top of the page for the downloads option. Click downloads to go to the download section. On this page, you should see different versions for different devices and operating systems. Since we're installing on Windows, select Windows from the list of available operating systems. After selecting Windows, click download now. Your browser will begin downloading the Anydesk installer file. Depending on your internet speed, this may only take a few seconds. While it downloads, wait until the file is fully saved before moving on. Don't rush this step because opening an incomplete download can cause installation problems. Once the download is finished, open your downloads folder. You can usually find this in File Explorer, or you can click the downloaded file directly from your browser's download bar. Look for the Anydesk installer file and double-click it to launch the setup process. When the installer opens, you'll see the installation window for Anydesk. From here, click Install Anydesk. Then, when prompted, click Accept and Install. This confirms that you agree to the installation and lets the setup continue. The installer will now begin putting Anydesk onto your Windows computer. Just give it a moment to finish. In many cases, Anydesk may open automatically once the installation is complete. At this point, the app should be ready to use and you can start setting it up for remote access, sharing your address or connecting to another device. And that's it. You've successfully installed Anydesk Remote Control for Windows. It's a simple process, but following these steps carefully helps make sure you download the official version and install it without issues. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.